I almost paid for someone else to assemble this recliner.
Technical Dave, Dan Dada Tutor. Brother, how you so first time? Lord of mercy.
It was at this moment I decided not to cut these tie straps, but release the pin instead. You don't see this quality every day, man. Keep them here, man. I mean, if you tell me, say, I watch the video all this time, and you know, if I like, nor subscribe, come on, man, do better. Me wait for it, you know. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video. If there's no click, that's not it. All right. It's a good thing almost doesn't count. Because I did it myself. See you in the next video. For more videos like this, subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so you can get videos instantly as I upload them.